In this video, we're going to be talking about the new A13 5G and the specifications. Stay tuned. What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. We have the Samsung Galaxy A13 5G going official in the United States. The A03s joins it stateside in January. So starting off, the Galaxy A13 5G was finally made official today by Samsung's arm in the US. So it is going to be the company's cheapest 5G device. And it's going to be available online at AT&T on December 3rd for just $249.99 or $695 a month. It also says the handset will then land at T-Mobile in January, so we can definitely expect it to get other prepaid carriers such as Metro by T-Mobile. So excited about that. I've also searched the internet and I haven't found an unlocked A13 5G, so it doesn't look like they're going to be in circulation currently. But going on to the specifications, this device is going to have a 6.5-inch 90 Hz 720p display. This is going to be an LCD display, and we do have that older design language with the V-shaped notch at the top instead of the hole punch, which is a little bit disappointing, but I can deal with it. We also have a MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset at the helm, 64 gigabytes of expandable storage, and a 5000 mAh battery with 15-watt charging support. Now, as far as the specifications so far, at that price tag, it doesn't look too bad, seeing that we do have a 90 Hz display and that 5000 mAh battery. That is a really big battery, so honestly I think that is a fair price. It's nothing crazy though, but let's continue. It says on the rear there's a triple camera system with a 50 megapixel main sensor flanked by a 2 megapixel macro cam and a 2 megapixel depth sensor, while for selfies you get a 5 megapixel snapper with a notch. The phone is going to run Android 11. I really don't know why they're running Android 11 on a device that's dropping at the end of 2021. That's pretty weird. It has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, a down-firing speaker, and a headphone jack too. So we do get a headphone jack on this device. As you guys know, the other mid-range devices, the A73 is not going to get a headphone jack, which is super weird. That kind of sucks. But moving on, the Galaxy A13 5G is going to be joined in the US by the Galaxy A03s, which was initially unveiled for other markets back in August. The phone will become available in states in January at AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, and Samsung.com for just $159. So we're definitely going to go and check out the device. That is going to be a very, very budget conscientious device. The Galaxy A03s launch internationally features a screen that seems identical to the A13 5G and the MediaTek Helio P35 chipset with either 3 or 4 gigabytes of RAM or 32 and 64 gigabytes of expandable storage. So it looks like we do have two different options. It also says a triple rear camera system, so 13 megapixel main, 2 megapixel macro, and a 2 megapixel depth, a 5 megapixel selfie, and a 5000 mAh battery. You guessed it, 15-watt charging support, and it runs Android 11. So it doesn't look too impressive, to be quite honest. Honestly, in 2021 or at the end of 2021, I thought there was going to be something much better than this, especially at those price points, because in the past we've seen so much stuff from Blue and Huawei and all these other companies, but they do have chip shortages and other material shortages, so I see why they're doing this. But Helio P35, pretty old chipset, and that 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of internal storage is definitely going to cost more than $159. But that 5000 mAh battery, pretty nice to see that in there, and obviously the cameras are pretty much going to be the same for what you get at that price tag for other Samsung devices. So let me know what you guys think. I don't think the A13 5G is super impressive. It's kind of cool that they do have a 90 Hz display on a phone that's only $249 for Samsung. That's something new. I've definitely never seen that before. So I'm going to pick this up. We're going to take a look at it and go through some real world usage on it. But tell me what you guys think in the comments down below. Is this a device that you guys are going to pick up? This or the A03s. I think this is going to be a good seller though, with that 90 Hz display. I think a lot of people are going to like that, especially at that price point. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you are not part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.